My Focus YouTube channel welcomes you to learn ng sound. Ng. The sound is articulated by pressing the back of the tongue against the soft palate. The soft palate is lowered and the air is not allowed to escape through the mouth. The air escapes through the nasal passage. Ng. Ng. Keep in mind the vocal cord vibrates. Now practice the sound with me. Ng. 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 Let us see a few words with ng sound in the middle position. Here are the list of words. Finger, stronger, thinking, English, language, thing, song. Practice ng sound in different sentences. The flamingo was walking by the shore. Put your shirt on the hanger. Wild animals live in the jungle. We saw a kangaroo in Australia. The marching band members had practiced hard. She is a very passionate singer. Here are the ng sound in the final position. The listed words will help you to practice ng sound by the end of the words. Bring, young, building, feeling, working, belong, awarding. Practice the ng sentences as in the final position. She went bowling with her friends. She was driving down the road. Hang on, we will help you. The king makes the rules. It is a long walk to the beach. The spring flipped out of my hand. I hope the bee does not sting me. Continuous practice on the sound ng will give you a better pronunciation. Thank you for watching the video. Like the video and click the bell button to subscribe.